Hey there, adventurers! Welcome to our channel, where the magic never ends. Today, we're going on an epic journey with a brave young heroine and her amazing dad. Get ready for a story of courage, love, and determination that will inspire you to be your best self. Meet Jack, a kind and gentle soul who's lived a long and fulfilling life. He's had his ups and downs, but he's always come out on top. But after his wife passed away, he was left to raise their young daughter, Emily, all on his own. It wasn't easy, folks. Jack had to work multiple jobs just to make ends meet, and Emily had to grow up fast to help her dad out. But despite the struggles, they never lost hope. They knew that as long as they had each other, they could face anything that came their way. And then, disaster struck. A fierce storm swept through the village, destroying homes and crops. Jack and Emily were left with nothing, but they didn't give up. Emily, with her quick thinking and determination, rallied the villagers and led the rebuilding efforts. And Jack, well, he was the proudest dad in the land. He knew that Emily was destined for great things, and he was honored to be her rock and her guiding light. Together, they rebuilt their home and their lives, stronger and better than before. And that's not all, folks. Emily's bravery and determination inspired the whole village to come together and rebuild their homes and their lives. She showed them that even in the darkest of times, there is always hope for a brighter tomorrow. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey, everyone. Remember, no matter what challenges you face, with courage, love, and determination, you can overcome anything. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you can join us on our next epic adventure.